Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact to help support in Sparrow Wallet. Sparrow Wallet is an open source and does not have a traditional commercial support team. The main place to ask for the help and discuss issues through the community group chat in the Sparrow Wallet. So first what you can do is open your Sparrow Wallet on your device here. Once you reach into this Sparrow Wallet here, we can see the help in the top. Just beside the tool, go to this help. You can get support. You can show the introduction, online documentation log file as I'm going to click to this get support. And over here you can go to this telegram. You can read the official documentation and frequently asked question, and it does not have a traditional commercial team. So you can go to this telegram group chat. This is the official community managed support channel. And the Sparrow Wallet documentation covers the guides, FAQs, and the troubleshooting. You can go to this Sparrow Wallet again and go to this online documentation here. You can find all of the questions asked about the Bitcoin related Reddit community, such as Bitcoin beginners, where many experienced users help troubleshoot issues because Sparrow Wallet deals with Bitcoin and private key scams are common. And never share your seed phrase, private keys, or sensitive wallet with anybody. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.